kind of the versatility of just talking here, talking here. Put this upside down, it's not just gonna go everywhere in your bag. I just walked this probably about 100 feet, 50 meters or so. I used to have a shotgun mic, so this is versatile already. And then same level of volume as I get back. So overall, that is an amazing feature. If you Hey guys, quick review here of the DJI Mic Mini 2-pack. They both come in here. I've got one, the audio is currently recording through this little guy, and here's the other one. But this is the size of them right here. They're nothing huge. They come with a little micro magnetic attachment on the back. Yeah, I'm recording on a DJI Osmo 3. So give you guys an idea of the test range of how you can do it. How far they go, but again, this is the audio recording right here. Check 1, 2. I'll get up and walk over here, give you guys an idea. A little bit of background noise because there's some dirt bikes way in the distance, but just show you guys kind of the versatility of just talking here, talking here, talking here. I'll go walking off a good distance to give you guys an idea of kind of signal degradation and breakdown overall. So go ahead and give you an idea. This is how far away I just walked. That's probably about 100 feet, 50 meters or so, 30 meters. But overall, good little example of the audio. If you're looking for something like this, I really like them. They're super quick to connect via Bluetooth, especially with my DJI Osmo. But as far as using them, it comes with a little transmitter, so you can hook these up to a Canon DSLR camera real easy, or a Sony. Just plug it into your audio and you're good to go. So here's what the set comes with. Here's the nice little box. First off, here's the charging case. Pop this open. All the stuff you need inside. It doesn't come with a USB connector to an iPhone. That's third party. It does come with a USB-C connector that you can see right there. Then the transmitter, so if you want to use a DSLR, and the two mics themselves. Overall, small footprint. And I'm not using a mic for this one, so you'll really hear the quality difference. So right there, it actually just connected. I'm actually close that so that it stops recording through the mic, and you'll kind of hear it for just a sec, probably a little bump. But the case itself is really cool. It doesn't come open easy. You actually have to compress it, so that's nice. So if you put this upside down, it's not just going to go everywhere in your bag. Charging cable, USB to USB-C, and then there's two dead cat filters right here, the little to keep the noise down. I don't actually want to open them yet because I don't want to get them all dirty. And then the carrying case itself is actually pretty padded. Hard to see inside looking in the dark, but it's got a bunch of little compartments for a carrying case bag. I really like this. It's got a lot more padding than usual. I'm almost like, man, this feels like I could store things other than just my mic in there. So that's what generally comes in the packaging for it. Also, you have the audio cable here if you want to connect this on a DSLR. One final note that I love about this is that all three of these have to be charged. So you don't have to take them out. You can plug in the case, and then it goes USB-C to USB, so you can plug that in, and everything is charging at once. So as long as you keep all your gear together, you don't have to worry about things dying or whatever. You know they're always going to be charged for shoots, which I think is awesome. You can see, here's my studio camera setup. This is the little receiver right here. You just connect them. It gives you an indicator light if they're both on. I only have one right there. You'll see that's just connected to my shirt like so. But I just had both mic hooks up. So you hook them up like that. Then you can boost the gain to 6, 0, 6 or plus 12 dBs, that is. And then right now I just need the one mic, so it goes in here, comes with this little cord and plugs directly into my camera, so I can film off of this guy, have a DSLR, and I'll show you what that looks like right now. So here I am recording on my nice DSLR camera with my mic set up here. I'll go walk in the other room. I used to have a shotgun mic, so this is versatile already. So now I can have two people talking in other rooms, so you could be doing a little cool shoot here and somebody walks in and you hear them talking ahead of time, so adds a lot. But I'll show you right now. Just walk out, walk in the other room. I'm about 15 feet away. If I had had my other microphone, you wouldn't hear me at all. So here I go, test 1, 2 as I walk back in, and then same level of volume as I get back. So overall, that is an amazing feature if you love creative videography. And again, you can hook it up to your phone. This is it didn't come with this when I picked this up from my iPhone, but so I can hook this up technically to my phone. I don't really need to very often, but if I did, if I was doing some kind of interview, that'd be a pretty awesome feature to have. So overall, if you're looking for something like this, check it out. Really cool option for vlogging, freestyling. Highly recommend it if you need a new mic. I loved how easy it was. I have the older version of this, but I always found this one was a little more bulky, harder to set up. Still a good mic, but I wanted to have dual feature, and the fact that they're such a small footprint and they still sound really good is really cool for me for like audio vlogging, fly through kind of run and gun, really fast setups that like you need to be able to go for it right away and have two people talking for vlogging. It's huge. Or just sit down interviews if you're out and about, whatever, kind of holding this. There is a place for this, but I find that these ones, considering they're just one little pouch and you're two of them right away, faster, quicker, easier. Really like the upgrades so far, and the fact it's DSLR. I can use it with my DJI Osmo just by syncing it Bluetooth, where I don't even need the receiver on some things. That's a game changer and huge for me. So highly recommend them, really liking them so far.